Okay, so Fooocus has the normal place where we can type in prompts and ask us to make a certain specific image for us. Now, additionally, when you click on the advanced check mark and you open the advanced tab, you also have a section which is called negative prompt. The goal of the negative prompt is to tell what not to generate in the images. Now, one interesting thing I also discovered is that the negative prompt is only available when you select the quality and the speed performance. So if you want to go with extreme speed, lightning, or hyper SD, it does not give you the choice. I'm not really sure what issue will there even be, but I guess it's how it's programmed for the version of 2.5.5. And this might actually change. Now, sometimes these things, as it's an AI and it's not perfect, it could miss things. So now I want to put the negative prompt feature into the test and to see, does it help to produce more results that in our favor. So first, I'm going to create it for us. Sorry, these images are from before, so I'm going to do a new set. So I'm going to ask it to make us 10 images of a cat wearing a t-shirt at the beach. And let's see what it makes for us first.
A few moments later.
Alright, so we got 10 of the images generated. Now, some common themes that I kind of saw in it is there's a couple cats that have white t-shirts, for example. That's like the predominant color, like 3 out of 10. And then aside from that, there's also this light bluish colored t-shirts, or a little bit darker, or even blue itself. And this was like 8 out of 10 image. No, not 8, sorry. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 10. And if we count this one, 6 out of 10. Now, let's say I don't like the color of white, and I also don't like the color of blue or light bluish. So now I'm going to ask it and tell him the negative prompt that don't make me cats with these colors. And let's see if it gets it. I think white t-shirt it could understand it, but I'm not sure how to explain this blue color, but let's see what happens. So we're going to type white t-shirt, and we're gonna type blue t-shirt, and then I'm just gonna put, I don't know, like let's put trees, for example, just out of curiosity if it will influence the pictures as well. Trees. So now I'm gonna hit generate, and then we're gonna compare the newly formed images.
2,000 years later.
Alright, so the results are in. I'm actually pretty disappointed. Usually it actually works better, but as you can see, we went from 1 or 2 results that were what we liked to basically everything is not what we wanted. We have white images, 3 of them, still the same ratio, and then we also have the blue, and then that, I mean, I'm not sure if this is defined as blue. Maybe maybe it's not, doesn't define it as blue, but this sort of color. I'm going to run one more experiment to see, like, what if we like put a no white t-shirt, no blue t-shirt, and see what's going on. On the issue of trees, I mean, there's hills, so it kind of works, but let's say we could even add, like, I'm gonna add Rocky Mountain hills to see if does any impact and prevent these hills from generating.
2 hours later.
Okay, so we got our 10 images generated. Still, the result is not as good as maybe I would have liked it to be. Still get a bunch of, as you can see, this time a lot more white images, and then you also have that again, that same color again for like 2-3 images. You have this one, at least it's an exception. It looks, also the cat looks different than the other cats. I think that maybe this example, for if you wanted to do something like this, it would be more better if you just gave a specific prompt where you tell it make a cat wearing, a green t-shirt or a pink t-shirt or things like that, or create increase basically more images, and then once you find one where it's good, you can put it into the input image section, and then you can ask it to like make more of that. I think that would be a much more efficient. But yeah, I will run more tests, but I think that's enough for this video. Something that we tested out together. I also forgot to mention things about like trees, rocky mountains. I do think that we don't see as much of those boulder hills, but then there's still like trees at the back as well. Although something that can be done about these is that through the enhanced option and through in-paint and out-paint, we can fix these for like the images, so it's not like the biggest of issues. But I will personally run some more tests later on, and if I do find some interesting patterns of maybe what certain prompts work better at the negative prompt, I will make another video. So if you guys had any questions, feel free to comment, so I'll be happy to look into it.